How to fix Valorant VAN9003 UEFI error on Windows 11. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to provide you the most general troubleshooting step for you to be able to fix this issue. So first is what people usually do is to right click on their Valorant exe file or icon by going into properties, compatibility mode for running this program compatible for Windows 11 if available, and then disable full screen optimization and then running the program as an administrator, hitting on apply, hitting on OK, restart PC and relaunch the game. Now the other thing that you can do is to go on your Windows search and then typing in CMD to make sure that you're running this as an administrator. And then from here, what you're gonna have to do is to go ahead and type in ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and then hit on enter and then restart your PC. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix Valorant VAN9003 UEFI error on Windows 11.